Okay guys, I wasn't thinking of making a video today. However, I ran into a stock that I thought looked rather impressive, so I just want to tell you guys a little bit about it. The reason I am going to talk about it is because the PDUFA date is coming up in August, and I believe it's August 19th. So I want to tell you a little bit about this stock now so that it gives you a chance to kind of research it and figure it out and see if it's something that you would want to kind of look into. The company name is Nabriva Therapeutics, NBRV, and the price it's trading at right now is $2.43. There's about 80 million shares out. The drug that they are going to hopefully approve will be called lefamulin, Lefamulin, and it is both an oral and IV medication. It's for community-acquired bacterial pneumonia, and it's for adults 18 and older at this point. They had 2 phase 3 studies already that showed non-inferiority, so it was pretty much equal to the standard of care that we have now. The nice thing about this drug is that it has a new mechanism of action, and so therefore sometimes when we're running into resistance with antibiotics and the bacteria are becoming resistant, now you have something that works totally different from those antibiotics to hopefully combat the infection better. So the apparent side effects are not much. They do have the routine diarrhea, headaches, and abdominal pains and all those things. There was equivalent side effects with both antibiotics that they tested, and so because of that, I believe that this medication has a good chance to be approved. So it will hopefully be approved in Europe and the United States as well. They do have a partner in China to produce it, so they've already received, or they should have received, $5 million in payment, and then up to $90 million once they meet certain milestones, but that's for China itself. They do have exclusive world rights to the medication. The PDUFA date is 8/19/19, so that's coming up in August already, and so hopefully this is something that we can kind of look into a little further. Everybody can kind of research a little bit more. Tell me what you think. Definitely write down some comments on the bottom. Personally, I think that it's going to be a medication that should be approved because of the minimal side effects that the drug has, the different mechanism of action it has, and with the growing resistance of bacteria that we have, we want to have as much power to knock down these infections, minimize hospital stays. The main thing is it's also an oral formulation, and it's only for 5 days as compared to 7 days with the other medicine. So shorter duration of treatment, and that always helps patients be more compliant with their medications as well. So let's hope there's not a journalist out there that's going to knock this one down like they did the other stock. But, you know, going back to PTN, I think it's going to take off, hopefully, in the future. But this looks like a good drug that may have good potential. Hopefully will be approved, and hopefully we'll see some improvement. I'm going to show a little bit of the phase 3 studies that are going to be shown here, just so that you can see that there's a couple of those phase 3 studies. Very briefly, you can see that they do have a loan that they did take out up to, I think, $75 million. They were going to give them $25 million up front, and then once the medications are approved, they'll give $15 million, another $15 million, and I don't know what the rest of the breakdown is. However, it hinges on the approval of the medications. Now, they do have other medicines that are being tested as well, and they have several medications that are going to be tested. So, and hopefully coming out in the future. Guys, I hope this was informative to you, and I hope it becomes something that you can use to hopefully invest into some stocks. Remember, we're not professionals here, but we do like and enjoy looking at these biotech stocks and other stocks as well, and giving you the information. Hey, thank you all for subscribing to our channel, and definitely invite other people to come and subscribe as well. We'd love to hear comments from everybody, and we'd like to give you a lot of different things on this channel, not only stock information, but we kind of mess around with some of the other things, and we do a lot of the sports and some other topics that we kind of hit randomly as well. We probably should do some good things for hopefully Halloween and some other topics that are coming up as well. So guys, take care. Good talking to you today, and have a great July as well, and hopefully I'll be back with some more talks.